Alright guys, so we were at the service department and dropped this thing off. Dang dude, that's what you need right there.
That's probably the first.
A little Subi truck? That's what you need, like El Camino Subaru?
It's probably 1,000,000 miles, dude.
That's what you need right there, dude. That's more reliable than your BRZ. Alright guys, so we got his vehicle dropped off at the dealership. And it looks like they're going to go ahead and warranty his tranny. He had a 4th gear synchro problem on that car. It's a 2017 Subaru BRZ. And like I said, he had a synchro issue, and we took it to the dealership. We had to swap out clutches and stuff because we knew they weren't going to warranty it under a with the aftermarket clutch and aftermarket stainless steel line and everything on it. So we put everything back to factory, took it back, and they decided to warranty it out. So it's really cool. We just dropped the car off. It's all approved and everything. They got the transmission on order. It'll be here in 2 to 3 days, and they'll have the car up and running in another 2 weeks or so. So we'll get a brand new tranny in that unit, and I shouldn't have any shifting problems whatsoever after that. So I'm pretty stoked about it. And then once we get the car back, we'll go ahead and we'll bring it back to my house, and then we'll go ahead and throw the upgraded clutch and everything back in the car, and we should be golden. Hey Norman, that's pretty cool, huh?
Hey, this is Davina over at Flatiron Subaru, just calling in regards to your BRZ here to let you know we've got her all wrapped up. I got it ran through the car wash this morning, got the work done late last night, so whenever you're ready, we'll be here till 6, and reopen tomorrow at 7:30 if you can't make it in today. If you have any questions or need to set up an after-hours pickup, please let me know. Thanks. Bye-bye.
What's going on, guys? It's about a week or so later. Eric just got a call from the dealership. Looks like they just finished up his car. And yeah, so you got that brand new tranny in it.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be shifting like butter. No more synchro issues, no more grinds. It's just gonna do. Hell yeah. So we're gonna go and we're gonna go pick this car up and bring it back to the house just so we can drop the tranny again and then put his ACT
flywheel and clutch.
Yeah, what stage is it though?
Stage 1.
So it's just stage 1, just regular stage 1 ACT clutch, but it's still got a lightweight flywheel in it and everything. And we'll put a stainless steel clutch line and everything back in it. And yeah, so let's have the deal or where the car is at, and let's go pick this thing up. Sweet. It's so small. Look at this little guy. Needs a case swap. There it is. Fresh trans and all. Fucked up windshield. Hell yeah. Pop your trunk, dude. So you put our 5-year-old fishing poles in there.
6.5-year-old. Sweet.
Well, let's go for a cruise. Let's try it out. Alright guys, so we just got the car back from the dealership. We're about to go for the first test drive with the brand new tranny. Let's see if 4th gear grind is fixed. Does your clutch feel any different?
Yeah. It feels soft.
Does it feel the same like when we brought it in?
No, it feels a little bit lower. Oh my god!
No grind?
No grind.
to drive the new tranny.
Damn, dude. I'm super stoked. It drove smooth like butter.
Yeah?
Couldn't have done all of this without you, dude. I appreciate it. You helping me out. And
Yeah, dude, no problem, man.
I'm glad to get
That's what friends are for, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Help each other out, man. Try to evolve, you know? Keep growing. Pop your hood real quick. I know it's probably nothing really to look at, but...
Pop the hood, 2JZ no shit.
2JZ, no shit. We did a swap. Nope, just kidding. maybe later on. Well, check it out, guys. Got that new tranny. You can see the difference in the color on the between the engine and the trans, but got that sticker back there. All that new, dog. Brand new synchros, no more grinding. We fixed this clank noise going on with this side of the car, so now it's like, it should be like a brand new car now.
Yep.
So.
Brand new car.
Well, I know we just took the tranny out, put your stock clutch back in it, put the tranny back in, took it to the dealership where they took the tranny out, and replaced it with the new transmission, but how do you feel about us taking it, dropping the tranny again, and then putting your ACT clutch back in it? The tranny be in and out of this car like what, 6 times? Yeah. Out, back in, out, back in, out, back in, out, back in. Yeah, that's 6 times. I bet you we could time it and see if we could try to drop the tranny in like 20 minutes.
Oh, we could definitely
Just boop,
do it,
boop.
dude.
Think so?
Yeah.
20, I don't know, man. That's a lot on jack stands. For it to be out on the ground.
21.
I think for sure 45 minutes.
Yeah.
You know,
45 minutes.
have the tranny dropped out on the ground with it on jack stands. But anyways, we got the new tranny dropped in the car, and we're gonna go ahead and take this thing apart. Probably not today. Probably wait a couple more days. Just chill for a little bit. We are gonna do a road trip to Texas this weekend, so I'll be out of town. But maybe after that, when we get back, we can go ahead and drop the tranny again, put the new ACT clutch back in there, new stainless line and everything, and then yeah, that'll be it. That's how you get a transmission for free, guys. So anyways, guys, stay tuned so we can get this clutch swapped out. What's up, you guys? We are back. It's a couple weeks later. We got the tranny swapped, as you saw in the last video. We had to go down to the dealership. We had to put the factory clutch and everything back in it. In order for them to warranty the tranny, but we got the warranty tranny all done, installed. Shifts great, like butter. So now what we're going to do today is install a Stage 1 XCT clutch, or ACT clutch, excuse me, for the Subaru BRZ, and a lightweight flywheel as well. So stay tuned. This is going to be a fun install today. I already got it pulled behind the house, and it should be pretty fun. We're going to see what we can get into. Should be a pretty straightforward process, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so I got it all up on jack stands. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove the clutch slave cylinder, get that taken off, and that way that's kind of taken off by the tranny. We're going to go ahead and disconnect the battery, and then we're going to take off these ground here, take the ground off right there, and then there's another one back there. Just going to kind of undo the bracket as well because it bolts onto the transmission. Move it up and out of the way, and then we got to pull the starter out. And once we pull the starter out, then we can go up underneath the car and start disconnecting the transmission bracket, and then we'll go inside the car and start taking all the shifter stuff out, all that kind of fun stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. We got the car jacked up. I was hard at work. I got the slave cylinder unbolted, got the battery disconnected, all that kind of stuff. Got the starter removed, got the drive shaft dropped, exhaust dropped. This thing is just about ready to come out. I have all the bolts holding the transmission bracket right there all loosened up, and then the bell housing bolts, every single one of them is loosened up. So now I just need to go ahead and climb in the car, take the interior apart, then we can just drop this tranny and pull the shifter through the trans tunnel, and then we'll get to working on installing that clutch. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so the old clutch is out. Brand new tranny, just chilling. Got it all disconnected and everything. We're gonna go ahead and toss on the other clutch. This is the Stage 1, right?
Yeah.
Stage 1 ACT clutch.
I think it's called like street street
Yeah.
clutch or whatever.
So we're gonna go ahead and toss this bad boy back in it, throw the tranny back in, and then he will have a brand new tranny and clutch all back in his car with no bad fourth gear synchro. No more grinding.
No more grinding. Fuck yeah.
Hell yeah. So yeah, let's get to it. Hi, Norman. Alright guys, so we got the tranny in, we got the clutch installed, got the drive shaft back in. Right now Eric's working on throwing up his exhaust, putting that back on, and then all we got left to do really is just do his clutch line, which is just this guy here. It's a stainless steel braided clutch line. So that'll help the pedal feel again and bring that back, because the stock, honestly, stock pedal feel, the stock clutch and everything, almost feels like there's nothing there. It's really weird. But anyways, so we're going to go ahead and swap that clutch line out after we get done with everything underneath the car and let it down on the ground, so it's just easier to get to. And you got that thing done down there, boy?
Yep.
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 Cool. Finished on that exhaust on. But yeah, tranny was kind of a little bit of a pain because it was a new tranny and the dowel pin holes were really tight, and it was kind of hard to get the dowel pins to line up with the transmission, but we did get it on there. So after playing with it for a couple hours, which sucked, it was in and out about 3 times, but you know what, we got it. We're gonna keep on rolling. We're almost done. All right guys, so we got the car all wrapped up and we're just now taking in it for the first spin. Oh, I was like, what the hell was that? Like, that does not sound right.
It's 2-step.
I think that's not a good sound. The camera doesn't do it any justice.
I know.
Guys, got the clutch in. We're gonna test it out real quick, do some drifts. Hell yeah, that wasn't bad, dude.
Well, let's go.
All right, let's go. There's probably some people working inside these warehouses, so we're gonna dip. Go right. Go right, go right. Woo! Woo! Oh God! Oh shit!
That hump fucked me up.
Oh, that was funny. Alright, go ahead and take it right. Well, I'd say it's driving good.
No, yeah. It is.
What do you think, man?
It's fucking awesome.
Got that new clutch in there, no more knocking your suspension no more, new tranny.
Shifting the 4th gear, no grind.
What do you think?
It's nice, man. I
Oh,
really
yeah.
appreciate all your help, man.
Yeah, dude, no worries, man.
I couldn't have done
For
this
sure.
without you.
For sure, bro. For sure.
McDonald's?
I'm glad it drives good. Let's go get something to eat. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I really appreciate y'all watching. If you like those donuts Eric did, make sure you smash that like button, even smash the subscribe button, keep following the channel for more updates and stuff. We got a lot more stuff to come. Anyways, once again, I appreciate y'all watching.
Don't forget to follow BRZ members.
BRZ Nimbus, that's his Instagram.
Oh shit, never mind. It's Wizard BRZ.
Oh no, you changed it, so it's Wizard BRZ now. Any underscores or anything? Or?
Yeah, it's BRZ_Wizard.
Alright, you heard the man. Go give him a follow on Instagram as well. Anyways, guys, once again, I really appreciate y'all watching. We'll freaking see y'all later.